Hi, my name is Durga Srujana. In this video, I am answering the 8 common Node.js interview questions to demonstrate of my understanding of the backend development. First question is, what is Node.js? Node.js is the JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 engine. It is a non-blocking and single threading. It's a difference of the Apache and PHP is the multi-threading and blocking. Simple example of Node.js is useful to the chat apps or APIs. PHP is useful to the great performance of uh, traditional websites with the server side. Next question. What is the callback function in Node.js? Why is the commonly used in synchronous programming? Callback is the function of the passing into the another function. Um, it is useful to synchronize API calls and file readers. It is Node.js is the non-blocking and callbacks is allowed to servers keep processing other requests without waiting for the current operation to finish. Next question is, what is the purpose of package.json file? It is the Node.js project. Can we explain the key properties found in the file? Package JSON file is the heart of the Node.js. It contains the details of the about of the Node.js. Like the key properties are the name, version, scripts, dependence. Name is the name. Version is the details of the projects. Scripts is the comments of to run to. Uh, you can run the app like npm start like that. mm Depends is the um, packages to require to run the app. Simple example, this is the name, version, script, dependency. Name is the details of the project. Version, script is the npm starts runs like comments of to run. Dependency is the package to require to run the app. Next, what is middleware in context? Express Node.js can give the example how to the work in. Sorry. What is difference between required and input statements Node.js when your y is used one over the another? First one. Required is the part of the common JS uh, of the Node.js. Import is the EJS models is modern and required common JS is older. Uh, Older and syntax of required is const x required uh, some of them like x small x. Next, import x from some of the information x. This is the syntax. Next of them, it is useful to required is most of the Node.js apps. um, um, Import is useful to type and column module is the package JSON or .mjs extension. Use the required is the default of Node.js unless of modern modules. Next question. What is middleware constant to express JS? Can you give the example how to the use of middleware and explain the application? Middleware is a function of the express is a run before the actual root of the handler. It is the modify the request and response of the end of the request. Uh, Simple example. Uh, this is the simpler. First, import the Express and create the Express instance of app. This is the middleware function. This is the request response nest. Required method is the uh, show the HTTPS like the post get something like next required URL is the root of the uh, URL. Next is move to the midware of our root. Next use of midware logic request is a middle function. Use and to get the root is root to URL slash is start the server. We get the root slash. You can show the hello world. This is a run of the middleware function. Then next the question is what is RESTful API? How to the create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods useful to RESTful URLs. Um, RESTful UPS RESTful API is the way of to let different app to talk each other. Is useful is standing the HTTPS methods like that code methods, code operations like post, get, put detail. Get is the fetching the data. Post is the um, add the item. Um, add the item. Uh, put is the update the data. Next, delete is the remove the element. Simple example. This is example. To import the Express and install of app. Next, you can simple array of created. Next, to import include the atom. Add the atom like index of not key value like name and apple. Then get the apple name. Next you can change the I want the name to replace the grapes. You can replace update the data and you get the see which index you can replace the index you can mention, then replace the name and the grapes and delete the which index and which value to remove the data. That is the uh, RESTful API. Next, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager? NPM, how to use to manage and dependence on the Node.js project. Uh, Node Package Manager is the tool. It is installed to manage two packages and libraries into the Node.js projects. Simple commands npm inst inti inst or another is the create the package JSON. Next npm install express to install to create and add the express.js. Next npm um, install npm install to install the all package all dependence list of the package JSON. Next question, why is the importing of the hash passwords on web application? Hashing is should sorry password is should be hashed to protect the user data. We can hash we can database is hacked the raw password in stellar, so hashing is the convert into the password fixed string to not easy to traverse or anything. So is hashing is very important to the sign up and long way I think example of sign up and login pages. To other one in access your data or without permission you can log in the another is not possible. It's very important hash password in a web application. Thank you.